This is a 25 horsepower Evinrude E-TEC outboard. I'm going to change the lower unit oil, also known as the lower unit gear lube. My gear lube of choice is the Quicksilver High Performance 90 weight. You will also need a gear lube pump. This one is the Atwood Universal Pump. To assemble, take the dip tube and note its anatomy. One end is cut square and the other is angled. Assemble by inserting the squared end into the bottom of the pump unit. There is also an adapter used for Yamaha motors. Here's how to assemble this adapter. This, of course, will be unnecessary for my Evinrude. Next, remove the cap on the gear lube as well as the safety foil. Assemble the gear lube pump to the lube container in this manner. Park the boat on a flat surface with the motor in down position, and place an oil pan underneath the lower unit. Next, find the vent plug and the drain plug. Remove the vent plug using a 4mm hex wrench. Clean and set aside. Now, remove the drain plug using the same size hex wrench. Allow the lubricant to completely drain out. Once drained, use a dry cloth to clean up any mess. Next, take the threaded connector on the end of the gear lube pump and thread it into the opening. Thread until snug. Do not over-tighten or you will ruin the threads on the connector. Now, begin pumping the gear lube into the lower unit. You'll know when it's full when you see the gear lube run out from the vent opening. At this point, stop pumping and clean the area well using a dry rag. Inspect the plug and its washer for defects. If it's in good shape, secure it back into place using the 4mm hex wrench. Next, prepare the drain plug in the same fashion. This plug will need to be ready for a quick install in order to minimize the loss of lubricant. To do this, load it on the hex wrench in this manner, so it's ready to secure. Unscrew the pump connector and hold your thumb over the drain opening. Then, quickly secure the drain plug into place using the 4mm hex wrench. And finally, wipe the area clean and check for leaks. It is now ready to use.